Hi class! So today we will be discussing solving money problems involving percentages, particularly on discounts. This is for grade 7 mathematics. So let's begin. So first of all, let us define the following terms. So discount, so kapag sinabi nating discount, it is the amount reduced from the original price. Or, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating discount, ito yung amount na ibinabawas natin dun sa original price ng isang item or isang product na gusto nating bilihin. Next is the original price. So, the original price is the price before the discount. So, bago pa siya bumaba or bago pa matanggalan ng discount, yan yung pinaka-original price niya or kung magkano talaga siya ibinebenta. Next is the rate of discount. So, the rate of discount refers to the percentages or the percentage deducted from the original price. So, ito yung percent. So, minsan 'di ba pag nasa mall kayo, nakikita kayo ng sale, nakalagay doon 20% discount or 30% discount. Yan yung tinatawag nating rate of discount. Then, next one is of course the sale price. So, after niya i-compute or after niya tanggalin yung rate of discount or after mabawas yung discount, so, yung final price, yun ang tinatawag nating sale price. So, ito yung apat na kailangan nating tandaan. So, the discount, the original price, the rate of discount, and the sale price. So, let's go ahead and check. So, for example, meron ako ditong Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm. So, sa tingin niyo dito, meron tayong dalawang presyo, 24,990 and 7,490. So, alin kaya dito yung tinatawag natin na original price? Okay, very good. So, itong 24,990, yan yung original price. So, ano tong 7,490? Yan naman yung tinatawag nating sale price. Okay. So, syempre, nabawas na yung discount. Now, sa tingin nyo, magkano yung discount natin from 24,000 na naging 7,490? So, you can use your calculators. So, para mahanap natin kung magkano ba yung na-discount natin, simple lang yung gagawin natin. We subtract 7,490 kay 24,990. So, ganito lang yan. So, 24,990 minus 7,490. So, after the subtraction, 0 minus 0, that's 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 7 is cannot be. So, mag-borrow tayo ng 1 from here. So, 14 minus 7 is 7. And 1, so we have here 17,500. So, itong 17,500 is the difference. Yan yung tinatawag nating discount. Okay? So, yan yung na-discount natin. Yan yung na-less natin from the original price. So, next example. So, we have a Samsung Galaxy A16 LTE 4128 GB. So, alin dyan again yung original price? So, itong 9,990. So, again, that is your original price. So, ano tong 2,990 na to? Yan yung tinatawag nating sale price. Right. So, again, how do we solve yung kanilang difference? Simple lang, subtract natin si sale price from the original price and you will get the difference. And again, this difference is called as your discount. Okay? So, next example. So, we have here, Apple iPhone 16 Plus. So, from 75,000, naging 35,000 na lang siya. So, magkano yung kanyang sale price? So, again, subtract 35,000 kay 75,000. So, the answer is 75,000 minus 35,000 is equal to 40,000. So that is the discount. Next. So, always remember na the difference between the original price and the sale price is called the discount or is the discount itself. So, di ba? Sa example natin kanina, yung original price, tapos nakita niyo yung sale price, we subtract the sale price dun sa original price, and the difference, yun yung tinatawag nating discount. Okay? So, the formula we can use is discount equals original price minus the sale price. Again, this formula can be used kapag given yung original price at saka yung sale price. So, para makuha yung discount. So, let's proceed. So, is there a way we can get or compute for the rate of discount? Yes, there is. So, kung naaalala nyo, si rate of discount, siya yung percentage deducted from the original price. If you can recall yung lesson nyo ng percentage decrease, so, di ba, yung new price niya and the original price, so, from the original price, bumaba yung presyo niya. So, kung iisipin nyo, para nagkaroon ng deduction or discount. So, you can use the formula ng percentage decrease. So, wherein, the rate of discount or yung percentage decrease natin is simply equal to the original price minus the sale price all over the original price times 100. So, you can recall yung inyong percentage decrease na lesson or video. So, let's have our next example. So, we have here Nike Dunk Retro SE which costs 5,000 pesos. Di ba sa mall, pag nagpupunta kayo, ang nakikita nyo lang naman doon is nakalagay sale, tapos kung ilang percent, parang mga ganito. Ayan. So, syempre, mag-check kayo ng presyo, less 20% pa pala to, or minsan lalapitan kayo ng sales lady, sabihin sa inyo, ma'am, sir, less pa po yan ng 20% or 10%. So, para ma-compute or malaman kung paano ibabawas yon, so, simple lang naman yung gagawin natin. First things first, can you try to think magkano kaya ang discount natin if the price of these shoes is 5,000 pesos at meron siyang 20% off? So, the discount is 1,000 pesos. So, if the discount is 1,000 pesos, magkano na lang yung sale price ng ating sapatos? Very good. So, the sale price is 4,000 pesos. Now, question, paano natin nakuha yung discount price given the original price and the rate of discount? Okay. So, pwede natin isolve siya. So, we get the discount. Okay. So, the discount is equal to the original price. Okay, original price times the rate of discount. So, ano nga ulit yung original price natin? That is 5,000 pesos. And the rate of discount, which is 20%, so convert natin siya into decimal, that is 0.20. Okay. So, multiplying that, 5,000 times 0.20, you can use your calculators. That is equal to 1,000 pesos. So, ito yung tinatawag nating rate of, or ito yung tinatawag nating discount. And syempre, para makuha natin si sale price, so you can use the formula, sale price is equal to the original price minus the discount. Yan. So, makukuha mo na si sale price. So, yung ginawa natin dito, una, sinolve muna natin si discount. Then, sinubtract natin siya sa original price para makuha natin si sale price. Kaya, nag-come up tayo ng ganitong formula. So, let's try our next example. So, we have here an Apple or iPhone 13 which cost 45,000 na merong daw 30% discount. So, magkano kaya yung magiging discount natin? So, you can use your calculators. Okay, so very good. So, yung discount natin is 13,500. So, anong ginawa natin doon? We multiply again, discount is equal to the original price times yung ating rate. So, wherein that is 45,000 times 30%. Pag kinonvert natin siya sa decimal, that is 0.30. So, we will come up with 13,500. So, magkano na lang yung sale price natin? So, now, let's look for the sale price. Again, we can solve it using the formula. The original value minus the sale price. Ayan. So, that is 45,000 minus 13,500. So, magkano yung ating sale price? So, it is 31,500. So, 31,500 na lang siya after natin ibawas yung discount. So, let's have our next example. So, I have here a t-shirt worth 700 at meron daw siyang 50% off. So, 50% off, alam natin kalahati agad yan. So, therefore, yung ating discount is equal to 350, which is half of 700. And magkano na lang yung sale price? Alright. So, that is 350 pesos. Next example. We have here a bag that costs 2,000 pesos at meron daw siyang 10% off. So, magkano kaya yung discount natin? Okay, same. We multiply the original price times the rate. So, that is for us to be able to get the discount. Okay? So, that's equal to original price is 2,000 pesos times rate natin 10%. So, that is 0.10. So, therefore, ang discount natin ay 200 pesos. And, what's the sale price? So, sale price is equal to the original price minus the discount. So, magkano na lang yon? That's 2,000 minus 200. So, the cost of the bag is 1,800 pesos. Ayan. So, hopefully nakikita nyo or naiintindihan nyo kung paano natin sinusolve yung discount at yung sale price. So, can anyone come up with a formula of getting the discount and sale price given the original price and rate of discount? So, ano ibig sabihin natin dito? Pwede ba tayong mag-come up ng formula? So, kanina binigay ko na eh. Getting the discount and sale price. So, kapag may original price and rate discount. Ayan. So, ito yung formula natin. So, discount, binigay ko na kanina. Kapag given ang original price at ang rate of discount, then we multiply it. So, discount is equal to original price times the rate of discount. So, kapag sale price naman, kapag meron na tayong original price at meron tayong discount, so our formula is sale price equals original price minus the discount. So, yan yung ginamit natin sa kaninang example. And, if we're looking for the sale price, pero ang given sa atin ay original price lang at ang rate of discount, then we can use this formula. Sale price is equal to the original price times 1 minus the rate of discount. So, yung paggamit nyo ng formula, depende yan kung ano yung given. At saka syempre, kung ano yung hinahanap. So, let's have an example. So, kung taga-Taguig ka, alam mo kung saan to? Sa C6 lang po ito. Ayan. So, C6 Lakeshore Taguig. So, tignan natin. Example number 1. Given the situation during Typhoon Paeng in 2022, the fishermen from C6 Laguna de Bay have started selling their harvested fresh milk or harvested milk fish rather, or yung bangus, at 150 per kilo. If the original price was 250 per kilo, how much is the price difference and what is the rate of discount. So, take note muna natin yung importante. So, nakalagay naman dyan, the original price daw was 250. So, let's take note. Original price is 250 pesos. Then, magkano daw yung binibenta or magkano na lang daw nila binibenta? They are selling it for 150 pesos per kilo. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong new price, which is 150 pesos. Ayan. So, ang question, how much is the price difference and what is the rate of discount? So, again, yung price difference, yan yung tinatawag nating discount. So, let's check muna. So, yung price difference natin, discount, is equal to 250 pesos minus 150 pesos. So, 200 minus 150 or 250 minus 150, that is equal to 100 pesos. So, ayan. So, next question, what is the rate of discount? Ano naman daw yung rate ng ating discount? So, the discount amount of price difference in is 100. Ayan. So, ano naman daw yung rate of discount? So, meron tayo dito, original price 250, sale price is 150. So, again, di ba yung rate of discount natin is parang percentage decrease lang. So, we get the original price and the sale price all over the original price times 100. So, substitute natin. So, rate of discount is equal to 250, that is your original price. Then, 150 is your sale price over 250 times 100. So, that is 100. Kung napansin nyo itong 100, yan yung ating price difference over 250 times 100. So, we have 0.4 times 100. So, we have the rate of discount as 40%. So, the rate of discount is 40%. So, nasagot na natin how much is the price difference. The price difference is 100 pesos. And yung ating rate of discount is 40%. Ayan po yung ating sagot sa question number 1. So, next po, we have question number 2. While visiting Market in Taguig, you discovered that your favorite boutique is holding a sale. Inside the store, you found a bag originally priced at 750 with a 20% discount. How much will you pay for the bag after the discount is applied? So, ayan, pumunta ka ng Market and nakita mo na naka-sale yung store na gusto mo. So, nakita ka ng bag worth 750 pesos with a 20% discount. So, the question is, magkano daw yung babayaran mo sa bag after i-apply yung discount? So, take note, let's get first yung mga importante. So, given natin, so we have the original price is 750 and the rate of discount is 20%. So, anong formula yung pwede natin gamitin? So, since ang given is original price at rate of discount, then ang hinahanap natin is how much will you pay for the bag after the discount. So, we are looking for the sale price. So, pwede natin gamitin yung formula ng sale price. Sale price is equal to the original price times 1 minus the rate of discount. So, sales price, substitute natin, that is 750 times 1 minus 0.2. Remember, itong 0.2 na to is yung 20% natin. Kinonvert natin into decimal. So, next step, that is 750. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. So, 750 times 0.08. You can use your calculators. The answer is 600 pesos. Therefore, you will be paying 600 pesos for the bag after the discount is applied. Ayan. Next example. Ayan. So, read and analyze the answer and answer the following word problems. So, number 1, a dress cost 800 at a clothing store in Market Mall. The store offers a 20% discount. How much is the discount and what is the sale price of the dress? Question number 2. A backpack at Venice Grand Canal Mall originally cost 1,200 pesos. It is now being sold with a 25% discount. Question. What is the amount of discount and how much will be the backpack cost after the discount? Number 3. In Taguig's Wet Market, a vendor sells bangus or milkfish for 180 pesos per kilo. He gives a 10% discount to customers who buy 2 kilos or more. Question, if you buy 2 kilos, how much is the discount and the total price? So you can comment your answers. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.